Hey friends, if you encounter the error the digital signature for this file couldn't be verified, error with the error code 0xc0000428, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the checklist scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command chkdesk space forward slash r space forward slash f and hit enter. Now press Y and hit enter once again to initiate the checklist scan. The next solution is to perform the SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to initiate the SFC scan. And lastly, run the driver verifier tool. Search for verifier in the Windows search bar and open the verifier tool. Okay, and then select create standard settings. Next, automatically select unsigned drivers. Next, and then let it do its job if it finds unsigned drivers, and if it does, then you will have to reinstall that driver from the manufacturer's website. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.